Namaste children. Today we are going to see about multiplication of integers, exercise 1.3. First question. Find each of the following products. Under that, A, 3 into minus 1. So all of us know any number multiplied by 1 is going to be the same number. So here I am going to just first multiply the sign. 3 has got a positive sign and 1 has got a negative sign. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 3 ones are 3 will be your answer. Next, D sum. Minus 316 into minus 1. So now as I said, we will multiply the signs first. Two numbers have got the same sign. So minus into minus is plus. So the answer will be plus 316 into 1 is 316. Now going on to the G sum, here we have got 3 numbers. So what shall we do is, we will multiply the first 2 numbers and find the product of the first 2 numbers. With that product, we will multiply the third number. So I am going to take 9 into minus 3 into minus 6 is your question. So first 9 into minus 3. So 9 has got a positive sign. Plus into minus, minus. 9 threes are 27 into minus 6. So minus into minus plus. 6 sevens are 42. 4 carry over 12. 162 will be your answer. Next, J. We have got 4 numbers. So we will take first 2 numbers, then with our answer the third number, and with that answer with the fourth number. So first multiply minus 3 into minus 6. The question is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Now minus into minus plus. 3 6 are 18. With that into minus 2 into minus 1. Now plus into minus, again minus. 18 twos are 36 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus 36 ones are 36 is your answer. Now the same first question, I have got the homework sums written for you here. Please do the homework. Next, second question. Verify the following. So always when you have a question like verify the following, you have to see whether the RHS and LHS are equal. Now LHS 18 into 7 plus within brackets minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So if as soon as you see this, you should remember what property it is. It is distributive property, multiplication over subtraction. Now coming to the LHS, 18 I will have it as it is into 7 plus into minus minus 3. Now 18 into 7 minus 3, 4. So the answer will be 72 is equal to, next one is 18 into 7 you have to multiply. 8 sevens are 56, 5, 126 plus 18 into minus 3. So you will have the number in bracket since the number is negative. So 18 threes are 54. Now 126 plus into minus minus 54. So which is 72. So when LHS and RHS are equal. So hence verified. Going on to the B question, the same, but signs are different for the numbers. So we will solve the LHS first. So minus 21, let it be as it is, into within brackets minus 4 plus into minus minus 6. So minus 21 into same numbers, add and put the same sign, which is 10. So minus into minus plus 210. Going on to the RHS, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So multiplying minus into minus plus 21 fours are 84 plus, again minus into minus, plus 21 6 are 126. So LHS we have got 210. Let's see whether we are getting it in RHS. So 10, 210. So LHS is equal to RHS. So hence verified. And these are your homework sums. Third question and fourth question are homework sums. Please do the homework sums. Then fifth question. Find the property using suitable. Find the product using suitable properties. So one section we saw about the properties, closure properties, commutative properties, associative properties, distributive property. So we are going to implement those properties in these sums. Now, as soon as you see this, you should know what property it is. So sorry. So now here it is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So a distributive property, multiplication over addition. I'll tell you how it is. You should know the formula for writing distributive property, multiplication over addition, which is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now I have got, as soon as you see this property, you should know which side we have got. LHS or RHS, you have expanded it. So A into B plus A into C is your RHS is given. So you have to find out the LHS. Now what is the value of A? A is 48. Whichever is common, you have to take it as A. B is 26 and C is minus 36. So now I will substitute in this. What is A? Minus 48 into what is B? 26 plus minus 36. So now minus 48 into 26 minus 36, which is minus 48 into minus 10 minus 480. Minus 48 into minus 10, which is minus into minus plus 480. Next, going on to the D sum. Minus 41 into 102. So you have to see which property it is. Can we write this 102 as? Children, you must have learned this in your 6th standard. I am writing it as 100 plus 2. I am writing 102 as 100 plus 2. So again the formula is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now this LHS is given. I am going to substitute in RHS. So my A is, what is A? A is minus 41. What is B? 100. What is C? 2. So minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. So what is minus 41 into 100? Minus 4100 plus minus 82. So now minus 4100 plus into minus 82. Two numbers have got the same sign. So I am going to add and put the same sign, which is minus 4182. Now F sum. F question 7 into 15 minus 2. Again distributive property, multiplication over subtraction. So A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Now my A value will be 7, B value will be 50 and C value will be 2. It is not minus 2. So 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. So 350 minus 14. So which is 336. Okay, next question. This is also distributive property, but here you must be wondering how you can make this as a distributive property. Where is a common number? Now we will do it. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57 into 1. So now this becomes A into B plus A into C. I am not considering the signs minus and minus because it's going to become positive. So A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now the value of A is 57. The value of B is 19 and the value of C is 1. So substitute in your LHS 57 plus 19. Sorry, it's 57 into, it is not plus. Sorry children. 19 plus, so 57 into 19 plus 1, 20. So which is 7 2s are 14, 1, 10, 1, 1, 40 is your answer. So I hope all of you are doing the homework sums. And let me do the next. We have got 3 more sums left in this exercise and we will continue it in the next session. Thank you children.